A very good morning to one and all. Once again, the team of A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our student, MANPREET Kaur. So Manpreet have done her B.SC from Delhi University, and then she did her masters in environmental sciences from MDU Rohtak. Then she was preparing with us in the offline program at our Center for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences and all other entrances for the PhD examination. In that series, she qualified a JRF in first go. After that, she was preparing very hard for the interviews of various prestigious institutes across the country. In that series, she qualified the interview as well as the entrance and got the final selection at INST, which is Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, which is a wonderful lab of DST, Department of Science and Technology, situated in Mohali. So, on such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Manpreet Kaur for getting the final PhD position. At present, the institute is offering numerous courses such as NET-JRF Environmental Sciences for June 2024 in offline mode at Delhi Center, live online across India, correspondence with video, only correspondence, test series, and interview guidance. Institute is also offering the guidance for GATE 2025 in two subjects, environmental science engineering and ecology and evolution. Along with that, Institute is also offering specialized guidance for all the entrances related to environmental sciences for PhD, for the job exam such as pollution boards, power grid, etc. in the country. Institute also offer a specialized guidance and mentorship program for the people who are interested in pursuing their masters or PhD from USA or Europe. The CUET PG program is also available for life sciences as well as environmental sciences. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given number or through our webpage for early success with the minimum time and the minimum effort. Once again, we would like to congratulate Manpreet Kaur for such a remarkable feat for getting a final selection in the PhD program at INST Mohali, which is a very good lab of Department of Science and Technology. Thank you.